Question number 33. The diagram shows a network consisting of three resistors 2.2, 1.2, 4.7. What is the combined resistance of the network between terminal X and terminal Y? So what will happen is, when I take two resistors like this, okay, in parallel, definitely effective resistance of this should be less than 1.2 kilo ohm. And when I take these two, effective resistance will be more than this plus this. So therefore, on an average, if I take this is 2.2 and this is 1 here, okay, the total resistance should be 3.2 kilo ohm. Okay, so now let us look at the option. This definitely is incorrect. 0.67 kilo ohm cannot be the answer because it should be greater than 2.2 at least. Even if this makes 0, it should be at least greater than that. So this is incorrect. Then 1.6, can it be 1.6? No. So it is 2.2 is minimum here. Then 3.2, 3.2 is already here. 8.1, it cannot be 8.1 because if it has to be 8.1, this should be larger, okay, larger than 1.2. So which is not possible. So therefore, this is also incorrect. So the correct answer is C.